Hello, I'm Diego Cardoso. I'm an assistant professor in agricultural economics here at Purdue University. I'm an applied microeconomist, and my research focuses on the economics of climate change, energy, and water. So concerning climate change, for example, I studied the design of carbon taxes for sectors that are oligopolies. So for example, one sector like this is aviation. And the challenge of sectors like this is that once you have only a handful of firms that have some wiggle room to adjust their prices, the carbon taxes might actually not have the effect we intended. And that means that we have to design them in different ways. I also study policies that indirectly affect climate. For example, one of those policies are policies related to royalty rates that are paid for by fossil fuel production and exploration. These royalty rates, they directly affect the cost and the profitability of oil and gas production. And by lowering royalties, especially in times of low prices, these policies can actually affect production, can incentivize additional production, and might have impacts for climate outcomes, and this is what we study. On the energy side, I also study topics related to energy transition, meaning the process of moving towards less polluting energy sources. For instance, I study how oil reserves can become stranded when the profitability of the sector decreases. And on the clean energy side, I'm also on projects studying the adoption and expansion of agrivoltaics. So those are projects where we place solar panels alongside standard agricultural production. Finally, on water, I also worked on projects related to the water provision and conservation. Some of these projects have looked into, say, affordability of drinking water across the United States. Other projects have studied the value of improving water quality in lakes and flood prevention. So this is my research program in a nutshell.